Kevin Siggy on pole position. He's also the championship leader. Lucas Müller starts behind him as the race gets underway. Down towards turn one. It's a very clean start for Siggy. The Jaguar trying to get up into second place as they come in towards turn one. There's going to be contact there. Siggy gets a hit. And Siggy goes wide, but he just manages to keep hold of the lead. Oh, side by side, Müller and Pev. And Müller has got the job done.
As we do indeed go on board with replay, Jack, check this out.
Oh, well, Dario Franchitti, you're the racing driver here. I wouldn't have called that clean.
No, he was definitely determined, was Lucas Müller. So if I was Pale Pev, I would be a little bit upset. They're still bagging wheels through turn one.
Whoa, big slide.
Oh, big mistake as I say that.
Siggy emerges on the Berlin E-Prix circuit to take the win in round 5 of the Challenge Series in the ABB Formula E Race at Home Challenge. And we go green at home. Van Dorn slots in nicely ahead of Daniel Abt in second position, but it's the long left-hander. We've seen start chaos the last few races, but it's fairly neat to know someone has absolutely gone firing in there. I think it was Ma.
As we see some action, looks like Daniel Abt is having a move to pass Stoffel Van Dorn. Van Dorn's down to third, Jack. Oh, that's first hit, and then that's really not on from Pascal Wehrlein. Oh, heavy defending from Daniel Abt. Is he going to lunge again? Van Dorn defends the inside. Yep. Here we go. But completely runs wide in the corner. Watch for the silver. Actually, it's Oliver Rowland's gone to the lead, I think, is it?
Yeah, Rowland gets past both of them. Oliver Rowland, through the final turn, is going to win round 5 of the ABB Formula E Race at Home Challenge, and he is happy with that one.